So today I'm in a small block of flats in a busy city centre taken over from a previous company. Straight off the bat, this inspection label doesn't give me much confidence. The bodged socket screw holding the panel face on is the next giveaway. This block is 3 floors in 6 flats, and yes, that's right, it states on the panel that everything is all wired on one zone. One of the batteries failed a test, and this key switch is completely wrong. It should be a few spur isolator, something like this. Anyway, the system did work fine, but each floor really should have its own zone, and for a busy city centre residential, a zone plan next to the panel is a must. If you want, you can go check out the full video on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.